What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keeps stopping issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this three dot more icon, and from here click on reset app preferences. Now then it will show you a pop-up. So from the pop-up again click on reset to confirm, and resetting the app preferences will help you to fix the issue of media stopping. But if you're still facing the issue, then check for mobile updates. So to do this, open settings again, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now here, if you have any pending update of your mobile, then update your mobile software to the latest version, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, it will help you to fix small software glitches like media stopping issue. So after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset all settings. So to reset all your mobile settings, open the settings app, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. Now here scroll down and click on reset all settings option, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that, the media stopping issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.